Howard, how's it going?
Good. Good to see you.
Good to see you. Thanks for giving me five. Where are you calling us from?
I'm located in Iowa City, Iowa, United States.
Okay. All roads lead to Iowa City. Well, tell us about your journey to the NumFocus and PyData community and why open source science matters to you.
Yeah, I grew up on a farm in southern Minnesota, and at university, I studied a lot of geospatial software. And my first job out of university, there wasn't a lot of commercial geospatial software that was available to do what we needed to do. And so I started becoming involved in the open source geospatial libraries that were available. And two of those that were most important to me at the time and still are is the GDAL project, the Geospatial Data Abstraction Library, and the Proj library, which is used for coordinate system transformations. And so I became involved as a contributor in forms of, bug reports and eventually small fixes, and then became active in the leadership of those projects as time went on. And how I get involved in PyData and NumFocus is in 2021. I worked with NumFocus to create the GDAL sponsorship program, where corporations and governments can help us pool resources to provide support for the maintenance and ongoing operations of GDAL and the projects it depends on.
I've heard you say GDAL's been around for 25 years. Just given GDAL's track record, and as we think about this current environment of tech, and the future of open source. I want to hear your hot take, I guess, if there is one around AI and especially as it pertains to open source science.
Well, I'd say the first thing that I really love about open source is anybody who wants to participate can just show up, invest your time to become an expert at something, and then apply that expertise by participating in projects, creating your own thing, wiring things together. There's just lots of opportunity for anybody who's passionate and interested to work and play and learn in these communities. As far as AI goes, when we were building projects like GDAL and Proj, we didn't realize we were building these software projects to last, 15 years, 20 years, 30 years, 50 years. We don't know. Like we didn't realize that was going to be their lifespans. As the AI LLM stuff has come through, it's become quite clear how important those keystone software projects are to the operations of the LLMs. Being able to remix and build stuff, it's important. It's becoming clear how necessary the trust and the sort of known good of these software projects are to the engineers who are building with them or using LLM material or output to build with them as well. So that sort of trust and knowing that those software projects have covered their niche very well, have continued to evolve and improve over the years, means they have a lot of value, even in the face of LLM output kind of changing the game in terms of what's possible.
I think there would be a lot of value in us knowing more about what you're building and how the NumFocus and PyData community can support you all in continuing in that build.
NumFocus and PyData have been instrumental in us building the GDAL sponsorship program. GDAL is an open source project, to use Nadi Egball's phraseology, is a stadium model open source, meaning there are a few performers in the center very actively participating and creating and maintaining that open source project, and then a very large audience of consumers or users of that project. And so one of the sort of business model challenges that a project like that has is no single entity wants to pay for something that everyone benefits from. If that entity is paying for something that it directly benefits from, that's usually pretty easy to sell. But supporting the entire community as a single entity is something that is both not sustainable and ultimately sometimes not in its business interest. And so the GDAL sponsorship program pools resources together to pay for the things that no single entity wants to maintain itself. And so that's things like just typical software maintenance, like bug fixing, ticket traffic, reviews, code reviews from contributors. These are things that modern open source software has to do to have credibility in the communities that use it. And our relationship with NumFocus allows us to operate that program, and we certainly wouldn't be as successful a project without that relationship.
Awesome. That's a great note to end it on. Howard Butler, thank you so much for your time and for giving us 5 today. Before we go, one last time, give me 5.
Gimme 5 is a NumFocus production. Support open source software today by donating at numfocus.org.